Hi friends, let's make our second coffee of the day. I am currently frothing my Coffee Mate Natural Bliss Real Cream and Milk. This one's really good. This flavor is delicious. I also like that it doesn't have any vegetable oil as most Coffee Mates do. For this coffee, I'm going to be adding milk to my cup. I got these plastic cups on Amazon and they're disposable. Milk, my coffee shot, it's just one because I don't want to at the moment, so one it is. My cream, and I'm gonna add some pumpkin spice syrup in it. I should have added this to my frothing cup, so I think I'm gonna do that, and then I'm just gonna add some milk and froth it so it's like at the top. Then I'm gonna top it off with some sea salt, caramel on the top. Of course, if you want this a little stronger, you can add another shot. I don't because this is my second cup of coffee for the day. So I just want like that little shot in there. So good. It literally tastes like a caramel macchiato from Starbucks. Except I think they put like 2 shots and I just put 1. But it's just like the right amount for me.